Good day, everybody. I greet you in the name of Jesus Christ. And today we read out of Matthew 22, verse 37 to 39. And they replied to him, "You shall love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul and with all your mind." This is the great and most important principle and first commandment. And then he says in verse 39, as a second, it is like, you shall love your neighbor as you do yourself. And this is specifically what I want to talk to you about today. Love your neighbor as you do yourself. This is so important. We cannot say that we are children and lovers of God if we don't love our neighbors. And neighbors are not just the people staying next to you. Neighbors are not just the people like close friends or family. Neighbor means everybody, every person that comes across your way, or every person that is actually in your sight, every person that is in need. And this is even loving your enemies. You see, you love people. That's a basic principle. Your love is not according to if they love you. It's not according to their response. It's never controlled by their response. Your love must come out of the love of Jesus Christ. When he looks at people, he looks at them through the lenses of love. And when we truly say that we've got love in us, it shows us that we are partaking, that we are communing in his love. We in theosis, in that unity and participation with Jesus Christ. And loving your neighbor is a way of revealing God's character and God's nature. That's where we need to go to and to move into, that we love our neighbors. And we have to go into that before we truly understand love. And this is a time and season where we need to ask the Lord to show us, to give us the revelation of love, that our love is not according to people, but it's based and rooted in the likeness, the character, and the nature of Jesus Christ. Let's love our neighbors. The world needs it, and that love brings transformation, and God will be glorified through it. I bless you.